Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Dropbox sign for branded approval flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the Dropbox Sign dashboard. Locate the settings option in the sidebar and click on it. In the settings menu, find the branding section. Click on branding to access the branding options. Here, you will see the option to create or manage your brand. If you haven't created a brand yet, click on Add Branding. Fill in the required fields, including your brand name and logo. Ensure your logo complies with the specified guidelines. Once you've entered the necessary information, save your brand settings. Next, return to the Dropbox Sign dashboard. Open a document you wish to send for e-signature. In the document options, look for Approval Flow. Select Create Approval Flow from the drop-down menu. Choose your branded approval flow from the options available. Customize the approval flow settings as per your requirements. After customization, save your approval flow settings. Now, you can send the document using your newly created branded approval flow. To check the status, return to your dashboard. Monitor the progress of your approval flow in the status section. Ensure all signers complete the approval process. Once finished, review the completed document with your branding intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.